Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Understanding negative infinity in NumPy. In NumPy, negative infinity is represented by the constant numpy.inf. It is useful in various numerical computations, particularly in scenarios involving limits, comparisons, or when initializing arrays. Negative infinity can be seen as a value that is less than all other numbers. It can be particularly useful in algorithms that need to identify the minimum value in a dataset or when initializing values for comparison. Importing NumPy. Before using negative infinity, make sure you have the NumPy library imported. Creating negative infinity. You can create a negative infinity value using code example, using negative infinity. Here's a code example that demonstrates how to use negative infinity in various scenarios. 1. Initialization. Use negative infinity to initialize a variable to find the minimum value in an array. 2. Comparison. Compare elements of an array with negative infinity. Explanation of the code. 1. Initialization. An array data is created with a mix of positive and negative integers. 2. Finding minimum value. We start with min_value set to negative infinity. As we iterate through data, we compare each element with min_value. If the current number is less than min_value, we update min_value accordingly. The use of negative infinity ensures that the first comparison will always succeed, allowing us to correctly find the minimum value. 3. Comparison. We demonstrate how to compare all elements in the array to negative infinity. Since no number is less than negative infinity, the result will be an array of false values. Practical use cases. Using negative infinity can be quite useful in various scenarios. Finding minimum values, when you need to find the smallest element in an array or data set. Handling edge cases, in algorithms that involve limits or boundaries, where you might need a starting point. Sentinel values, in algorithms that compare or search through data, negative infinity can serve as a sentinel value. Conclusion. Negative infinity in NumPy is a powerful tool for numerical computations, particularly in scenarios involving comparisons and initializations. Understanding how to use np.inf can help streamline your data processing tasks and enhance your numerical algorithms.